Hey, what's up guys, SHB here, and this is 2019, so happy new year. And today I'm going to show you how you can take raw photos with your iPhone. So the stock camera app on your iPhone doesn't allow you to take raw photos, but you can do so. So go to the App Store, download Adobe Lightroom CC, which is a photo editing app. So this is the mobile version of the desktop app. So you will download it, open it, and at the bottom right corner you will see a camera icon. Press that and boom, you have now a camera app, and where you can change your format. So by default it's in JPEG or JPG, which is not raw, and you can switch it to DNG, which is raw format. And now if you take photos, it will be in DNG format or raw format. Let's take some raw photos and also some JPEG photos with your built-in camera app, and we will compare it on my computer, how much detail it can pull from highlight and shadows, also how much we can tweak the colors. So if you see the file size, you will see that both the DNG file and the JPEG are taken with the 12 megapixel resolution, but the size is different. The JPEG is 1.7 megabyte and the same photo with the DNG file is 13.7 megabyte. So surely you have a lot more data to play with. So these green two are raw or DNG file, and this red one and this red one is JPEG. So let's do the tweaking over here. So this is the DNG file or the raw file, and now if you want to do some color tweaking, like if you want to go wild on the white balance, like going super high or super low, you can see the photo is not degrading that much. Okay, so if you do the same on the JPEG size, you can see definitely some color degradation over here. You can see some blue casting on the uh, box of this T. So but here you can see it's very subtle. It's not the casting, but it's the reflection. So it's quite, you can see blue casting over here. So we are preserving some data here so that we can play with the white balance. So now let's go over here, and you can see I have taken these two photos. This one taken with the stock camera app of your iPhone, and as you can see it's a HDR photo, so it is already processed by the iPhone's image processing unit. So as you can see, it looks already pretty good, but this one looking like it has no detail in shadow and highlight. But the tricky part is this one is already processed and this one is unprocessed image, raw image. So if we pull down the if we recover the highlight and if we recover the shadows, as you can see, now we have more detail than this JPEG one. So there you go guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the thumbs up button and maybe share it with your friends, and definitely consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Anyway guys, stay tuned, it's awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.